Hello YouTubers, this is your favorite channel where we review student projects for students. This project is known as a kitchen timer. You can use it for kitchen timing, where the output is taken from the socket here. The timer is set through these three buttons. We have the enter button that allow you to time the time you want to set for whatever you want to power the socket. So let's start. As our start button, it says set the timer. We want to set 1 minute for the sake of this project. Set for 1 minute. Hour no. Set for 1 minute. Okay. We have set for 1 minute now. We'll set it out. You can notice at this point our socket now is on and the countdown has begun of 60 seconds. We have 51 seconds now going down, and at the end of the 1 minute our socket would automatically go off. Whatever you want to connect to this socket, you can use this timer to be able to set out when this socket should go off. The countdown is still on. We have less than 20 seconds, after which this our socket, whatever is connected to this socket, will automatically go off. So the circuit diagram will be under this video. The explanation and other things will be, we have about 6 seconds. Okay, successfully. So you can discover that our socket now is off, showing that our timer is perfectly working well. For more of this video, please check on the link under to check our previous videos, and if we upload any video, like, subscribe, and then you comment so that others can also benefit from it. Thank you very much. Peace out.